Nothing makes a child happier than a glass of cold mango juice.
Every day, millions of bottles of mango juice begin their journey inside one of the world's most advanced factories.
Behind these massive doors, thousands of fresh mangoes begin an incredible journey through the most advanced food propping standards. Every mango is carefully washed, inspected, and sorted before entering the production line, even the spuckins. This is where technology, precision, and food safety come together to produce millions of bottles of mango juice.
The journey begins in carefully managed mango orchards, where only naturally ripened mangoes are selected by skilled workers.
Every mango is inspected individually. Only fully ripened, premium quality fruit is selected, while after harvesting, the mangoes are carefully packed into food-grade crates to prevent damage.
Before leaving the farm, every crate is carefully inspected and loaded to prevent damage during transportation. Freshness is protected from the very beginning. Specialized refrigerated trucks transport the mangoes under carefully controlled conditions, helping preserve their freshness until the mangoes reach the processing facility, where the first stage of quality inspection begins before production can start. Before production begins, every shipment is carefully inspected to ensure only high-quality mangoes enter the factory. The first processing stage removes dust and surface impurities using food-safe industrial washing systems designed to protect the fruit.
Advanced inspection systems examine every mango in seconds, ensuring only the best fruit continues to the next production.
Specialized machines gently remove the peel and seed while preserving as much fresh fruit as possible for juice production. At this stage, the fruit is transformed into smooth mango pulp, creating the foundation of the final juice.
Inside the extraction system, the fruit is transformed into smooth mango pulp, while unwanted fibers are separations. The fresh pulp is transferred into temperature-controlled storage tanks, where its quality is continuously monitored. The freshly extracted mango pulp now enters the first filtration stage, where fine filters remove unwanted fibers. Several filtration stages work together to create a perfectly smooth mango base, while maintaining the fruit's natural quality. Before moving to the next stage, every batch is tested to ensure it meets strict quality, consistency, and food safety standards. The filtered mango pulp now enters giant mixing tanks, where every ingredient is measured automatically with Exati. Powerful food-grade mixing systems blend the ingredients evenly, creating the smooth texture and consistent flavor.
Every ingredient is measured automatically with exceptional precision, ensuring that each production batch maintains the same taste, texture, and quality. To ensure food safety, the juice is carefully pasteurized under controlled temperatures, protecting both its quality and freshness before packaging. After heat treatment, the juice is cooled quickly under controlled conditions to preserve its flavor, aroma, and freshness before the next production stage. High-pressure homogenization creates a smooth and consistent texture, ensuring every bottle delivers the same premium. Thousands of food-grade bottles are automatically supplied to the production line, preparing for the next stage of hygienic filling.
Every bottle is cleaned and sterilized before filling to ensure the highest standards of food safety and product quality.
Now the sterilized bottles are filled with freshly processed mango juice. Every bottle receives the exact amount through
Advanced electronic sensors verify every fill level in real time, ensuring that each bottle contains the correct amount. Before sealing begins, every cap is automatically sorted, aligned, and delivered to the capping system without human contems. Each bottle is sealed with precision-controlled torque, creating an airtight closure that helps protect freshness.
Industrial robots pack every product with speed and precision, reducing manual handling while maintaining consistent packaging quality. Advanced inspection systems examine every sealed bottle to ensure perfect filling, secure sealing, and consistent quality before labeling.
Each bottle receives a professionally aligned label, allowing consumers to identify the product while maintaining a clean and attractions. Production information is printed and verified automatically, ensuring complete traceability and quality control for every bottles are automatically grouped and securely wrapped, creating strong retail-ready packs for transportation and distribution.
Advanced robotic systems stack and secure every shipment, preparing the finished products for safe transportation to distribution centers. Before delivery, every pallet is tracked and stored using intelligent warehouse systems that manage inventory with speed and accuracy.
After passing every quality inspection, the finished products are carefully loaded and prepared for delivery to stores across the neeche. From the factory, refrigerated delivery trucks transport the finished juice through an efficient distribution network. Every step is designed to deliver fresh, safe, and delicious mango juice. Thank you for joining us.